Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT enabled smart attendance system using RFID and ESP32 N8N automation, Telegram notification alert, as well as Google spreadsheet appending the data. Okay, so all the student four. So here we are using only four card. You can use multiple card also, multiple phone numbers and multiple Telegram alerts and multiple email alerts. 5 volts power supply, ESP32 rover module, AI thinker board we are using, and this is hotspot module, IoT module, EM18 RFID module with 4 RFID tag with 125 kHz frequency and 16 cross 2 LCD display. So this is 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on that should be displayed on the LCD. So EM18 RFID module. So here we wrote webhook code and everything. Here we wrote RFID card information, all the data we stored here only. EM18 RFID module. Okay, so this is our total transmitter module to the webhook, and this is our block diagram. So here in and out status notification alert, Telegram notification alert. So Sneha in, Arjun in, Rahul in, Priya out, Sneha out, Arjun out, Rahul out. Okay, so we are continuously appending the data onto the Google spreadsheet. So spreadsheet name is RFID. So student name, student tag, status, date and time. Okay, so continuously in and out, name, tag number, in and out, and date and time. Okay, so we are getting the alert message, alert also. So here it is sending the data, and here we are receiving the data like in and out status. Okay, Priya. Okay, tag information, we can, if you check tag information like name, tag, and date and time. Okay, so let's we start the power supply. So now we are using the N8N automation. So N8N automation, now here we taken webhook, so that it is posting the data to multiple ports, multiple technologies like Telegram we are using, Gmail alert and spreadsheet. So webhook, it is sending the data to multiple nodes. Okay, so first it is collecting the data. Okay, it is collecting the data and it is sending the data to these three nodes. Okay, so after that you can use another node, that depends upon your requirement, but here taking the data and appending the data to rows. Okay, so here authentication, spreadsheet, and here is the student name, student tag, student date and time. Okay, status. So here we are appending the email and here we are appending the data. Okay, so authentication required, Telegram authentication. Okay, so now it is in the public means it is in the production mode. Okay, so now power on, RFID based attendance system connecting. So we are giving the mobile data and a hotspot required internet to this device. So we are providing the mobile hotspot internet, 4G internet we are providing to this module with a 2.4 GHz frequency. Scan your RFID card. Okay, now I am going to scan the RFID card. Rahul in, yeah, status notification alert came. So SVS school management digital attendance system, Rahul, tag number in. Okay, so the webhook, it is sending to Telegram, email, and here. So now we will get one new email alert for 238. Okay, Rahul. Okay, here it is appended the data, Rahul in. Okay, date and time. So one by one we will get the alert message and it is appending the data. Okay, Rahul, Arjun in. Okay, yeah, it is appended, it is sending to email alert also, Arjun. Okay, so here, yeah, Arjun in. Okay, yeah, Arjun. Okay, time is 2:29. Sneha in. Okay, yeah, it came. I'm using only one Telegram, but you can use multiple Telegram. Each card, each Telegram channel you can use also. Each mobile alert also you can use. Priya in. Okay, so 4 in alert came, and here we can see like 4, Rahul, Arjun, Sneha, Priya, tag numbers in date and time. Now we will go for one by one. Rahul. Yeah. This is sending the data to webhook. Webhook, it will send multiple nodes. Telegram alert, email alert, appending the data onto the spreadsheet. Okay. Rahul came. Then go to Arjun. Yeah, Arjun came. Okay. Outed card. Sneha out. Okay. And then Priya. Okay. Priya. In, out. Okay. So here also it is updated one by one. Okay. Now it is appending. Okay. Yeah, out, Priya out, Sneha out, Arjun out, Rahul out. Okay. So we got the mail alert also. So first Rahul, Arjun, Sneha, Priya. So we can see out. Okay. So this is our N8N automation. You can use multiple nodes and you can use voice alert also. Okay. So voice alert means we required AI agent. Okay. So now it is just for automation, N8N automation flow work. Okay. Workflow. Thank you.